Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce data center costs with Alibaba Cloud. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by assessing your current data center costs to establish a baseline. Identify the key areas where expenses are highest, such as hardware, maintenance, and energy consumption. Evaluate your existing infrastructure and applications to determine if they can be optimized or migrated. Visit the Alibaba Cloud website to explore its various services and pricing options. Create an Alibaba Cloud account if you haven't done so already. Use the pricing calculator on Alibaba Cloud's website to estimate costs based on your needs. Consider migrating to Alibaba Cloud's elastic compute service, which offers flexibility and scalability. Explore the benefits of using Alibaba Cloud's Kubernetes service for container orchestration. Look into the object storage service for cost-effective storage solutions. Utilize Alibaba Cloud's auto-scaling feature to adjust resources based on demand and reduce expenses. Review your data transfer costs and take advantage of Alibaba Cloud's built-in network optimization tools. Implement Alibaba Cloud security services to reduce the need for third-party security solutions. Regularly monitor your cloud usage through Alibaba Cloud's management console to identify any inefficiencies. Evaluate the possibility of using reserved instances for long-term savings on compute resources. Take advantage of Alibaba Cloud's free tier offerings to test services without incurring costs. Consider using Alibaba Cloud's marketplace for third-party solutions that may provide additional savings or efficiencies. Continuously analyze your data center operations to identify new areas for cost reduction. Stay informed about updates and new services from Alibaba Cloud that could further optimize your expenses. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.